Dear world people, today is World Linguistic Day. But in our country, different persons are speaking different language because India is a vast country and vast population. Thus, therefore, I am speaking Kashmiri language. I belong from Kashmir. Punjab, who belongs from Punjab, speaking Punjabi language. But in this world, different African language, Japan language, different countries and their different persons who are residing there are speaking different language. Language, counting of language has got different different means lakhs and lakhs languages are speaking in this world. Punjabi, there will be African language, American language. Only national language in this world is English. But that language is also with that language is also under the different pronunciation. Their world people means African will speak English, but his pronunciation will be a different. Some are saying we, some are saying we. Indian will say we. And similarly, Russian will say same another thing, another means different countries have got national language English, but there is a problem of pronunciation problem, because basic tongue, which is their own tongue, according that tongue, the clear voice will never be received. That means English, proper English. Proper English will speak only British people. Although there is also a different status, different villages, they will speak English, but under different pronunciation. Even English people will express own language under different pronunciation. Means what a God has created in this world among public, that tongue is separate, but world nation is one. Tongue is separate, tongue is separate, but one thing is nation should remain one. Nation one, language fun. Nation one, language fun, but peacefully we should run. Different language, different tongue. Different language, different tongue. Different speak. Different peak. Different way. Different ray. Now, at British, English will say one type. Same country at British, another person will speak another type, same language. Means what a nature, what a God in this world has created. Different tongue different speaking. But side by side, in this world, there are translators. There are translators who are immediately translate the tongue of speaker, and under regional means country-wise language, he is translating so that the person understand his way of talking, his speech. If the American, Russian president, or there are side by side country wise translators attached with him through the Indian nation or another foreign country is understanding the speech of Russian president, speech of American president, different countries, foreign countries, Japan president, similarly. But what a God has created in this world, although the human is one, face is one, color is different, but every part of body of man is same, but language is different, tongue is different. Thus therefore man is same, but speaking is another game. Speech has another game. We should never think another language shame. Consider that language is our aim, and understand that language is our name. If the person will visit different countries and will receive different languages and could not understand, but there are also the translators, way of translators who will understand him what the person is speaking. Thus therefore in this world today is the linguistic day, and we should also respect own tongue. But I am Kashmiri poet, I am Urdu poet, but I am speaking Kashmiri. But it is very sad in this world that my secret, that my poem, single poem, has not been recognized by J&K State Cultural Academy. It is shame for me, or it is shame for them. I am also speaking Kashmiri. I am a writer, but what type of language I will express to them? If they have got the language of, there is a language, Kashmiri language, Urdu language. Language is same. Language is same, but recognition never came. It means if I have attended also Kashmiri Mushairas from Radio Kashmir, but it is shame for in this world that academy in this world is not recognizing me. Oh world authors, I am Kashmiri writer, Kashmiri poet, but they have not recognized me. What a criminal in this world is running at Jammu and Kashmir Cultural Academy. Now, thus therefore, I avoid the language, Kashmiri language, because when they have not recognized me, who will recognize in this world me? Oh, United Nation is world. Now I am speaking 2-3 points on linguistic under English point. Language is our language. Language, international language is English. but I respect English, I respect Kashmiri, but without recognition. Under Jammu and Kashmir Cultural Academy, there are Kashmiri linguists, but they have not recognized me. Due to communal, they have not recognized me. What communal is running in Jammu and Kashmir? I am Kashmiri Pandit Gaur. I have never been recognized due to casteism, due to communalism in Jammu and Kashmir at Jammu and Kashmir Cultural Academy. Even a single poem has not been published in Jammu and Kashmir at Jammu and Kashmir Shiraza. Although All India Radio and Radio Kashmir Srinagar have informed different times, Radio Kashmir Jammu also, but they have not recognized. Oh, World United Organization. You may see what a type of criminal is running and militancy is running in that state. Now, I am expressing through you the language बोल कशिर पठ होल कोरहम तिमो चोट होल कोरहम तिमो चोट नचम बोजान वनोमक म्योन लिखुत रेटो ब्रोट होल कोरहम तिमो चोट जाव कढ़म मूल मंज जाव कढ़म मूल मंज जाव कढ़म मूल मंज तथ थव खंज खंज लेख क्या वन लेख वन लेख क्या वन लेख वन तथ अजीब फंज जाव कढ़म मूल मंज जेब हुन नाव ओसुस हेवान तथ दितुक न कांह नाव तथ कोरहम बिल्कुल जबान थवहम न प्रभाव जबान हुन थवहम न प्रभाव खैर now I am speaking. Mother tongue is mother tongue. Mother language is mother language. Mother tongue is mother tongue. Through mother we can stand. Through mother we can bend. Through mother we can, through mother our Kashmiri land. Mother is mother. Mother tongue, mother tongue, mother tongue, mother tongue. Thank you, World Organization, world people. I have informed you some words of Kashmiri, some words of English. Thus, therefore, I am very thankful to world people that I have spoken some words on this day to you. Thank you.